Namaste guys, myself Vaishnavasti. To make my lockdown useful and this boring time interesting, I just took some photos of nature. Surprisingly, a few days back I discovered the real beauty of nature which was without any pollution. We know that earth is what we all have in common and time spent among the trees is never time wasted. So quickly I took some interesting photos and more in a video. Hope you guys may enjoy it and I request you to dig out the worst things which may harm the nature and please love the nature, save world. Thank you.